We're here, Drummond Island this weekend. It is Wednesday. It's probably about 3:40. I'm trying to get back to the spot real quick. I found a food plot. Obviously I'm private, and there's a section of public that butts right up to it, and it's all hardwoods and looks like a few oak trees, just from what I can tell, and from what on shows. I'm gonna go in blind, find a good tree, find a good run, set up, and hunt, and then hopefully get out of here tonight, because it's about 500 yards in, and you know, not familiar with this area at all. So, and my phone hasn't been showing me the proper direction for which way I'm facing, but we got the old Garmin e-tracks. So I pinned the truck. Enough of me rambling. I gotta hurry up and get in and hopefully get set up before 4:30. I've been up here 7 years and I've never gone hunting until now. It's kind of surreal for me almost. It's absolutely beautiful up here. It's all this mature hardwoods. I mean, there's still a lot of color up here yet, and I'm really surprised that there's this much color. But 4:30, we're set up. That food plot that I thought was a food plot, no. Looks like it's just all grown up in grass and whatnot, but there's a pretty good run that's right off to my left. There's a bunch of red pines to the left of the field. Kind of really would have rather set up in, but if I had more time I would have poked over there to check it out and see, but don't have enough time. As always, hopefully we get to see a deer and see what happens tonight. Super excited about this set. Super excited about this set. I start headed out of town, I go to play music, and I'm like, oh cool, I left my phone at the house. So I had to run back to my house, obviously, to get my phone, and now we're finally headed to the woods, and it is only 6:20 this morning, and I really wanted to be basically parking the truck right now and starting to walk in, but you know, it is fine. I'm not gonna let these hiccups this morning bother me, and I'm not going to get mad about it. It's whatever. It doesn't get daylight until 7:30, so I'm still all right. Just as long as I can find the spot that I'm sitting relatively easy. So hopefully I can do that. That's the only concern I have. Anyhow, cold snap number 2 or 3 this year. It was in the mid-60s all week. Last Monday was kind of colder in the morning. There's frost on the ground, a little bit of frost. Today we've got like a 15-20 degree temperature swing. It was close to 70 yesterday, and right now it is 43 out. So pretty good swing. Where I'm sitting this morning, I had a pretty decent 8-point come through. And I'm not sitting it just because that 8-point came through. I'm sitting it because it's the only spot that has a good wind for me. I will be walking into the wind. This buck that I said that came through this morning at 4:15. Try to find a decent picture of him. Pretty good buck, you know. And so we'll go here. Okay. There's that little bush, and then there's that stump, right? Watch this. I'm gonna flip this around. If you look, there's my camera. There's that stump. There's that pine branch, or that pine tree, and there's a scrape. Literally talk about hitting a fresh scrape, or sitting a fresh scrape like that.